Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the contact that you transfer the money to. So I'm going to click on this contact right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then you have your transaction document right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on you have made a transfer. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then go ahead and click on help and feedback. Then it's going to take you right here to report a scam transaction on WeChat. Go ahead and click on here. Then right here, if you are in China, you can put a call to this particular number right here, 1110, to call police and report. However, if you are not in China, go ahead and click on here to upload proof that you send money to that particular contact. Submit all the evidence and click on submit, and WeChat team is going to respond to you within 24 hours. You get a feedback from them, and possibly you get your money back if your evidence is genuine. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.